didn't appreciate man. You understand? So them the red at least enough really. That's the person where them a look for. Mark Walling at the time was a very soft-spoken person. So them look for him to as a they don't call it now as a person them can say, "Chuck, someone I get it easy something this man. Easy something this man." That's why them say them couldn't get cheap.
Yeah, because when them a throw them water and them a chat this and that about Mark Walling, you see Mark Walling a pay them no attention. The man just a do what him have to do.
But Mark
So
Walling,
that's why them no know what the intention Mark Walling have
When you check the
in
level,
him because he not talk.
you realize that none of the intelligent like Mark Walling.
When I say man a big liar,
You don't realize that though.
man a big liar, man. The man know rules and regulations.
I know them now no brains like Mark Walling and everything, you know. And that's why I really want to see this man really take lead of the country. Because in past my expectation, because I never like it's not a person where me that I look for to set to lead the party. Tell the honest truth. Me the more I look for like
Peter Bunting.
Peter Bunting. Me never really too like Peter Bunting.
Not even picture but you like Damien Crawford and them people.
Damien Crawford, but Damien Crawford never run. Who me did I look forward to lead the party was Julian. To tell you the honest truth, I always rate Julian, but I end up end up that be a Mark Walling. I want to see Mark Walling.
And Kasha, them afraid of Julian like Puss.
Yeah, he's a very humble
Them
person.
afraid of Julian, you know, Dayton. Yeah, them afraid of Dayton Campbell and Julian, man, like a Puss.
Oh, yeah. Very humble and thing.
Remember, you know, Prime Minister, no like nobody who brighter than him, you know. Oh.
Yeah, the education. So, yo, the man pull the party together. That's one of the greatest things.
Caution, black my brother off for the thing, man.
Hello, man. I'm saying,
Make it tell me, make it right till it finger tired.
yeah, I
saw him go on, man. Everywhere in there now.
Pull the party together, and that's one of the key things them when do.
Plenty of them where you say type and go and then I know the history. That is it, you know, Carol. Plenty of them where you say a type, then don't know the history. And plenty of them know it, but them bias.
Yeah.
And plenty of them where talk, them I get clear for talk.
In pull the party together, and that's one of the main thing them when do it. I think a lot of people never know in could do the party together. And you see, that is the reason why no.
I want mash them up, man. One mash them up, you know.
Champion, let me see I go on now, Caution. I get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger.
So the people, yo, I'm telling you this, the people love Mark Walling. Me I tell you, them.
You know, see the man in that place today, you know, see the crowd around him.
Well, the people grow to love him because you see, you watch one thing where the man a go on an alpha this so and a pass alpha. You want to see the little picking them and climb up on the something and go on and say, oh, the people picking them and go on so. People love him, the people might hear about him because guess what? You see some of the time, you are do something and you not even know say what you are do I benefit the person more than how you think it benefit you because every day them get up and them talk about Mark Walling. Them get Mark Walling so popular. And even Andrew Owens. Right now, everywhere you go, people know about Mark Walling because them sit down on the man name like right through them can't even talk about
man, sit down on the man name like bench.
No matter how you even try to change the conversation to make them talk about Andrew Walling. So no want to talk about Andrew Walling, so want to talk about Mark Walling. So everybody look to Mark Walling.
And then you can't find something bad to say about him.
Exactly.
Other than him no born in Jamaica.
So little rubbish.
That's all them talk, not about a black man, no one a white man for them. And plenty of them, we are talking about white man, them in a white man country.
Yes.
Them in a white man country clean shit.
I believe it's a time.
And them a talk about, me never know say Jamaica turn racist now.
That me said to Tiny.
You know my belief, Tiny? My belief is, whether they are black, whether they are Chinese, whether they are white, you say if you come to take me out of the hole with me, you hold on for your hand, brother. Hold me out.
Of course, because listen, I want to tell you this, you know. And believe it or not, plenty of people rather for work amongst a white man more than a black man.
All right.
Because if the white man will look out for the people, then the black fight against one another.
Tiny, let me give you an example. Me the America, you see, and me have 3 people at court right now. You know what color people them be?
Black man.
You know where they come from?
Black man.
You know where they come from?
Jamaica.
Jamaica. I have
Yeah, me know. Prime me hear your talk.
Tiny.
At 20 years now, me the America.
Tiny.
And me never work. Me not all work with Jamaican. I appear Asian, Korean, Thailand, Chinese, and then the people that me work amongst. Me not even have a friend, a Jamaica friend. For say a friend, a one Jamaica friend me have to say a friend and I see with me the America. And me and her come about over some 50 odd years.
Caution.
That's the only Jamaica friend me have.
I have never worked for a white man. And when I forget my pay is a problem. Never.
No, you know, not problem. They not pay your money.
Yo, the
Right, man, I make sure say you get your pay.
You see, I just think that this brainwash philosophy where we are people based on skin color is just immature, and when we actually grow up,
Yeah.
we really understand.
You're very kind. You're very kind to say mature.
Very much.
You're very kind.
Okay, look on this now. We can all identify black leaders, especially in Africa, who are wicked and evil. We can all identify them.
Of course.
In a black man, them be.
Of
so
course.
When you use skin color, you say, oh, a black man.
You know, sir.
One on the time. Yeah. And so when I use a skin term, you say, a black man time, no one like this and that and wait. That is just bullshit. You have to watch the character of the person, the character. You have to have a good black person, you have to have a good white person. You have to have a bad black person, you have to have a bad white person. But you have to look at the character. The character of the person means a lot. Mark Golden.
Exactly.
That man, you can tell you this, that man, I know.
And that's a madam.
I understand the system, but we can tell you this, a man will have come with a change to a constitution. It might have to take him a little time. Big up, you know. It might have to take him a little time to really do certain things, because we understand he can't go do certain things aggressively to upset the private sector or
Exactly.
the Americans or the Chinese, but he know how to do the thing, and that is what the People's National Party always do. Them always know how to balance the thing wherein we move the country forward and we deal with the people them at once. Andrew Holness and the JP policy is to move Jamaica forward. People need to understand that when the Prime Minister tell you to choose Jamaica, who choose the people? Let them question how to ask him. When them say, oh, choose Jamaica, then if you ask him, who choose the people? Because if you choose Jamaica, Jamaica is an island. All of us can move and go somewhere else. So when they say choose Jamaica, what about the people who are in Jamaica? Because the
Act
people
of deception, man. Deception.
The people are different from Jamaica.
Deception, man.
Exactly, Caution. You're right.
So when you
All them can say is bad mind. PNP bad mind. That's all they can say. We're bad mind for.
But look, you can develop Jamaica, you know, and the people in Jamaica don't develop, you know. No people.
Thank you. Thank you.
So right, Caution. It's so right.
You can develop Jamaica, but the people in Jamaica
then I had that
develop.
to go on now.
Not develop.
That's exactly what's going
But
on.
Caution, that is exactly Tiny and that are going. Because they must say,
Yes, and that to go on right now.
look how much building a go up and look how much ribbon a cut. But who is the benefit?
That's all them. And
Who is the benefit?
But me hear them a brag and boast about you are way place where them build up with there. And right now, no government do it. A private sector look much years reaching up in night. The urban center, and I hit them a brag pan.
You know, so the other day, me hear the labor right them talk about, oh, debt to GDP lowest and unemployment rate the lowest and the country and this and that. Did you know that Puerto Rico debt to GDP is 14%? I'm going to check the living condition of Puerto Rico. Check if Uno, what they are so right now, one guy Puerto Rico go live. 14%. Them unemployment rate is at 5.5%. And me can guarantee you, say nobody at Jamaica no want go Puerto Rico go work and live.
Caution, them people say, Caution. I go to them place there already. Them place are dangerous, see my brother.
Yo, don't you tell me, I tell him, Dan.
Them place are dangerous, see my brother. You hit bust off of your body as you quint.
Not
Place.
only even that, them cost of living, them living condition is very poor.
Of course.
Very poor. But when you look on paper, me go look on that now and say, right, 14%, 5.5%, it look like somewhere where you can go live. On paper. But in reality, you don't want to support them. So people have to understand them kind of thing, and when them come with them kind of talking, and like, yo, that is the way how you measure a country growth. That is not the way how you measure a country growth. Where how you measure a country growth is you check the hospitality, you check the education, and you check the cost of living. Me see right now, politicians are going around.
The best place of Puerto Rico, you see, and cleanest is the airport.
Yeah, me see them a come with road now for campaign. How can a member of parliament or a minister or a government campaign pan road?
Where you see
And after them work, that after them job, we do that.
I have basic function that. That they have basic function.
I must pay for them patch because I know they don't complete none.
But I know my youth, I know fix the road, you know. Then try to come all in at the hole, and at the end of the day, them have a roll it.
Thank you,
And then when they do it,
Tiny
by
in
2,
most
3
cases,
days,
Tiny.
rainfall, the whole life they got back.
Tiny in most cases, there's no roller. Tiny in most cases, there's no roller. He's a man with a bucket, a shovel.
Yeah, beat it.
A little asphalt.
I beat it down.
Yeah, I beat it.
And 2 days rainfall, the whole life come mash up back.
Me as an MP now for Portland, East Portland, and me want campaign to the people to get a third term or a next term as a member of parliament. I can't road me a come with because the 2 essential things where they need out there is good hospitality and a good education system.